everybody. Pretty bird. She's like, excuse me, I'm in the tub. Pretty bird. It's a pretty bird flap. Say hi, everybody. Can you say hi? There you go. She waved at you. She's like, hey, guys. So Pretty Bird jumped in the tub the minute I started to water. She was very excited. Couldn't help but think I should be running a theme song like I'm so excited. Or Rubber Ducky. Ah! Mommy doesn't need a shower. I had a shower. Remember? You were yelling at me because I didn't let you in? Bird, we need to turn off the water, baby. Can you stop splashing for just like a second? Alright, I'm going to attempt this. Ah, Pretty Bird. Pretty bird! Anyway, we figured it's been a while. I've actually been working on homework since I go to college. And also, the hubby hasn't been doing so good with the weather changes we've been experiencing down here in Arizona. It, of course, magnifies his pain. And, since the VA no longer gives out proper pain medication, at least here they don't, it leaves him bedridden. So, but we figured we'd give y'all an update, let you all know that we are still healthy, let you know Pretty Bird is still silly. We've actually accepted a new family member from a we actually just accepted a new family member for a possible mate, actually, for our sorry, just a second. Pretty Bird's getting the camera all wet. Ah! Anyways, we got a new cockatiel, a possible mate for Pikachu. She is absolutely adorable. She's actually settling in. I was gonna make a video today and introduce her. But it turned out that she was actually working really hard on trying to lay an egg today. And she finally got it out later this afternoon. And she was exhausted afterwards. And so she just hadn't been feeling too well today. I think it was the stress from going from one house to another yesterday. That maybe she didn't lay when she normally would have because of the changes. So I figured I'll make a video tomorrow and I'll introduce Sunny to everyone. Pikachu is very excited and very jealous, which is very funny and cute. Sorry guys. That's what happens when you make a video of a splashing goose. Pretty Bird, I just cleaned the camera. What are you doing? Hi. Hi, Pretty Bird. Pretty Bird. What are you doing? Are you going to answer me? Pretty Bird. She's like, leave me alone. I'm in the tub. I'm busy, Mom. Go away. Anyways, like I said, we're all still healthy. And with my husband's pre-existing conditions, we are staying home as much as possible. We know it's not as bad here in Arizona as it is in many other places yet. But better safe than sorry, right? Anyway, I figured I'd give y'all a quick update on what's going on. Are you all done? Are you all done, Prettybird? Prettybird. Are you all done? Oh, look at you taking a bath. Prettybird has not laid any eggs yet. I'll let you guys know right away whenever she does, or if she does. Say, since all the stores are sold out of eggs, this is the perfect time for the goose to start laying eggs, right? I'm just saying. One goose egg is worth like 4 chicken eggs, so that'll be very convenient. You hear that, Prettybird? Oh, Big Bird! Ah! Hi, Big Bird! Hi, Big Bird! Are you drowning Mama's bathroom? Look at you. You got my camera all wet again. Let's see. Did we get it? Yep. Prettybird! Prettybird! Oh, pretty! So pretty! Oh, so pretty! Oh, so pretty! Oh, yes, and we wanted to give a big thank you, we wanted to give a big thank you to George the Goose, George the Pet Goose, and Bob for placing us into his favorites on the channels that he's subscribed to, and for mentioning us in one of his videos. It was really, really kind of him. Not surprising though, we all know that he's a very kind person. So if you don't know about George, the goose, the pet goose, and about his daddy Bob, do check out their channel. He's a Chinese goose. He's got a lot more to say than Prettybird. Especially when we're home, she doesn't say much. As y'all can see, the difference between outside and inside goose. Oh, Big Bird. Oh, Big Bird. Hi, mamas. Hi. Oh, my pretty. Are you mama's pretty bird? Are you mama's pretty bird? Okay, say hi, everybody. Say hi, everybody. Anyway, so, we're going to go ahead and go now. Prettybird wants out, as you can see. Starting to push against the side. She can jump out by herself. She just is too lazy. She's used to me picking her up, I think. I just assume that she's lazy. Anyway, because she always does this till I pick her up, and the only way she jumps out is if I didn't notice she wanted out for like a period of time. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, then do please give us a like, share with your friends and family. Now that we're all trying to stay at home and self-quarantining and trying to limit going outside, maybe your little ones will be able to pass the time and enjoy checking out Prettybird. Maybe she'll give y'all some laughs and some distraction. And do leave us a comment. Any kind of ideas you have, any opinions, any, comments that you'd like to leave. We always appreciate them, and we read them all. And I do try to reply. Why? What do you hear? Cuckoo? Cuckoo? Prettybird? Cuckoo? Can you say Prettybird? Cuckoo? And then if you guys want to see more videos from us, do click that subscribe button, because we are trying to get better at making videos. We're trying to improve our content, and we'd love to welcome you to the Prettybird family, and also welcome to all the new subscribers that have joined us recently. Alrighty, pretty bird. Say bye-bye, everybody. Say bye-bye, pretty bird flock. Bye-bye, pretty bird flock. Yes. Say bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye, everybody. They love you.